Start the vehicle.
Guys, observe that the fan is not blowing.
On the AC.
Now the fan has picked up after the AC was turned on.
Off the AC.
The fan has stopped working. So what this simply means is that this fan is still being controlled by the thermostat. The thermostat is a system in the vehicle that regulates when the fan blows and when the fan does not blow. In tropical areas that is very hot, this can pose a problem with the cooling of the vehicle. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass that thermostat system so that your fan always blows when the vehicle is on. We'll be demonstrating this with this Nissan Murano. All we need to do is to locate where the fuse box is. We locate the radiator fans relay. Now in that radiator fans relay, there's a terminal that the thermostat sends ground or earth signal to. So when we locate that terminal, we'll just bypass that system. Now this is the radiator fan relay here. I'll show you where it is in the fuse box. Now that's it here. This is it. So we'll locate a terminal that sends signal from, that receives signal from the thermostat. This is how to bring it out. And there's a knob here that you just have to press in and the relay comes out. So we'll use our test lamp to locate that terminal. And this is how to fix it in case you want to fix it. It's that simple. So just watch as I do it. One of the terminal here receives a positive signal from the vehicle, while the other receives a negative signal. This one now receives positive. This one here is receiving positive. You can see the test lamp is in the negative post, so I can be able to see positive signal. That's it. Remember, I have a video that shows how to use this test lamp. Then this one is the one that comes from the thermostat. It's supposed to receive a negative signal here. So all we need to do now is just to use a jumper wire and get ground signal from either the body of the vehicle or the chassis. Like you can see, this is from the body, and we fix it in that place so that it continues to receive a ground signal, which is supposed to collect from that thermostat system. And that's just the magic, guys. Whenever your vehicle is on, the fan will be blowing. These are tips that I show in my videos. I have so many of these other kind of videos. All you just need to do, like I say always, is to subscribe and watch as I fix this relay. Do you see? The vehicle is not even, the engine is not even running. No, it's just the ignition that is on. Once I fix this relay, the fan is blowing. So whether the vehicle is on, whether the engine is on or not, the fan blows as long as the ignition is on. You see, ignition is off now. The fan has stopped blowing. So that's how you can manage your cooling system in tropical areas. You see? Can you see it? Fan is blowing. So I have so many of these videos. Subscribe and you get so many more. By the way, I'm your engineer behind the camera. See you in the next video. Thanks.